DMC has a carbon fiber 458 Speciale bumper for you. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in again, and today we're having a look at a product which is actually not new. This product has been with us for approximately 10 years. It might be a little bit more, a little bit less. And when the 458 Italia came out, it was soon followed up by a special version. As the name suggests, they actually called it the Speciale. But before the Speciale was actually launched, DMC had made a bumper based on the spy shots that the car was visible before on the internet. So we actually made a bumper and we launched the bumper before Ferrari had launched the Speciale car by himself. So with prices dropping for the 458 Ferrari Italia nowadays, the car is getting more, popular than ever before. It's more attractive and much easier than ever to buy a 458 Ferrari. That's why our bumper, the Speciale bumper, is also getting more popular, because let's be frank, the 458 is a more awesome car, but in its stock version it looks kind of boring. So here is a customer from Taiwan who bought our Speciale front bumper. We actually called it Monte Carlo, as the original spy name was for the car before it was officially called the Speciale. And it's made from fully carbon fiber. This one, as I said, is going to Taiwan. The customer is going to be very happy with this. Look at all these details. It's really an amazing car. Even Ferrari doesn't make this bumper from fully carbon fiber. Let me know in a comment how you like this product. Would you rock it on your 458 or not? And let me say thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time with more DMC content. Until then, bye for now.